So hello guys, are you tired of staring to your old blank terminal window day in and day out? Well, buckle up because today we are going to revolutionize your terminal experience and we would be changing your terminal from this to this. So without any further ado, let's jump in. Let's kick things off by installing Homebrew, a package manager for macOS that simplifies the process of installing software. So for that, open up your terminal window and enter the following command. Now press enter and type your computer password, and after that press enter again. Now the Homebrew package manager will be downloading in your system, so have some patience and wait for that. Now it is installed, and to easily access it we need to add it to our system path, and for that we would be using this command. Now Homebrew is added to our system path, and by using the command brew ---- version we would be getting the version of a Homebrew, and as we can see now Homebrew is installed in our system. Next up, let's install iTerm2, a powerful alternative to default macOS terminal, by running the following command. Now iTerm2 is installed, so close this terminal and open iTerm2. Now we would be installing Git, which is a version control system that is essential for software development, and by this command we would be installing it. Now with the command git ---- version, we are getting the version of a Git. Therefore, Git is installed in our system. Now let's enhance our shell experience with Oh My Zsh, a delightful community-driven framework for managing your ZSH configuration. We need to run this command to install it. Oh My Zsh is now installed and ready to rock. Now to give your terminal a stylish makeover, let's install power level 10K theme for Oh My Zsh by using the following command. Now as the theme is installed, we would be opening zshrc file by the Vim editor, and after that we would be changing the ZSH theme from Robbie Russell to power level 10K by moving the cursor there and then pressing I on the keyboard to get on the insert mode and changing the theme from Robbie Russell to power level 10K/power level 10K. After that pressing the escape key, colon and WQ. Now we would be configuring power level 10K theme by running the command source zshrc. Now in the configuration window we need to press Y on the keyboard if we see the symbol above and N if we do not see the symbol. After that I like the rainbow prompt style, so I press 3 on the keyboard, and I like the Unicode character set, so I press 1. I don't want to see the current time, so I press N, and I want prompt separator to be of type angle, so I press 1. I want prompt heads to be sharp, so I press 3, and I want prompt tails to be flat, so I press 1. After that I need prompt height to be on a one line, so I press 1, and I want prompt spacing to be sparse, so I press 2, and I want icons to be few, so I press 1, and for prompt flow I need it to be concise, so I press 1 again, and I don't want to enable transient prompt, so I press N, and after that I press Y, and done. And there you have it. You successfully set up a powerful and visually appealing terminal environment. So, happy coding!